Okay, we have another live video from Trader Jim, and this is a good one. It's a little bit different, but the main thing here is it shows how the auto trader can effectively be used exactly what it's for, as a tool that can really help you trade in a way that you just wouldn't be able to do manually. I want to publicly acknowledge my appreciation to Jim for doing these videos. He's not only helping me, but he's showing all of you, whether you're a BWT client or not, any trader really, he's showing you what can be done in the market with a tool like this. And it's great. I really want to thank Jim for that, really showing all of us, giving us a lot of inspiration as to what's possible. Also, my respect for Jim increases on the daily because he can acknowledge and recognize his mistakes. He talked yesterday about yesterday's video and what went wrong and what went right. So on that note, I just want to refer to yesterday's video and show where I think things went wrong and what was right. So let's take a look. Okay, what went wrong with yesterday's trading? All right, first of all, I'm going to say it right away, is that Jim traded against the precision trend. He went short here against the blue bars, and this clearly was a good trade going this direction. The moving average confirmed. The moving average plots a dot where it changes direction, and so in this case the moving average confirmed. This was okay to go short here, but still he traded against the trend, and it was profitable, and that worked out. But again, he couldn't get out of his head that that the market was going to go short, and went short again on blue bars and a moving average. That's the gist of what went wrong yesterday, and it just goes to show that the auto trader logic is this precision trend indicator. Turning the bars red where it goes short and blue where it goes long, and you can see in this graphic it does a really good job. All of these moves starting here are profitable moves with the exception of this and this, but the moving average is showing us the downtrend. Here where it went neutral, there was a possible long trade. Still in a downtrend, and the shorts were tradable here, but again the moving average and the bars were clearly shouting long, and Jim traded against the trend. This setup right here, where the moving average turns blue and the bars turn blue, this is called our universal trade setup, and it's in our BWT indicators manual. So that's it. That's what went wrong with yesterday, trading against the precision trend.
Hey everyone, still July 15th, about 45 minutes after Globex Open, and sometimes when we have extremely tight ranges during the day, like we had today, which was really tight, sometimes overnight action provides some good opportunities. So I think the way Randy does it is he's showing the time in sales and the computer clock. Oops. Computer clock, so yeah, 6:46. This is Eastern time, 46 minutes after Globex Open. And what I'm going to do is, this is a 5-minute chart, so obviously a longer term chart may not be suitable for day trading, but this is more of a overnight kind of game plan. If we were to break, if the precision trend, the volatility stop is broken and we go bearish, there could be a substantial move down. I will cancel this trade if we start breaking and staying above this 93. I increased the target for this particular trade and to 1,000. So we'll see how it's going to go. Obviously, I'm not going to keep the video running the whole time, but as long as it's not too late and I'm still awake, I will resume the recording just to keep you updated. So believe it or not, still in the same trade from last night. That is unbelievable. Got in right over here, right before 10 p.m. Stayed up a little bit, but then just went to bed and woke up this morning, still bouncing around, and now looks like we are finally making the move down. This, of course, has $1,000 target. Might be a bit much given these circumstances, but I'll keep it going for now. I'm going to put the video on pause again and restart if we are getting close to our target. So we are about to open. I am in the same trade, and as of right now, plan to do nothing else. It's just amazing to me. This is the longest trade time-wise that I ever was in. Look at this, all the way from here. 10 minutes to 10 in the evening, and now it's 9:30 in the morning. Still in the same trade. Very extremely tight range all night. Now looks like we're breaking out to the downside, which works for me. If I can hit the target on this trade, I doubt if I'll do anything else. I just need to get through this summer, I think. I am less than happy with my performance yesterday with the second chart. I think even Randy remarked on it. He's absolutely right. It was not a good performance. Yesterday, I completely lost all objectivity, I think. Oh, here we go. We hit our target. This is not a daily target. This is, I guess, what I had over here. Let's see. I don't even remember anymore. So just one bracket, 3 contracts, 50 ticks. So that's what I hit. I hit the 50 ticks. And now we are retracing, so it looks like I got out of a good place. If I come close to the volatility stop, I will try another short just to fill the daily target. If it just continues without me, I'll just stop right here. I have to be happy with this, given the circumstances. So as I was saying, yeah, that second chart yesterday, I am not happy the way I handled the trading. I pretty much took all control away from the auto trader, which is not good because before the auto trader, I was not consistent. So I think it's okay to interact with the auto trader, to give the auto trader maybe a direction. But I did a lot more than that yesterday morning with the second chart. The first trade was fine. The first trade was perfect. I waited for the precision trend to be bearish, and then I entered short on a bounce. That was perfectly fine. But what I was doing with that second chart, I am not happy with. I think it was just my frustration with the lack of any kind of a range. But it's no excuse. That's a recipe for bad things to happen. So if they continue to sell off without me, I'll just stop right here. All right, and I'm going to try short right over here. And I only have like $250 to go on 3 contracts. It should not be much. Hope to just achieve the daily target and just be done. Close one position. Oh, this could be it. Because the whole thing was one position. I forgot that over here I don't have 2 different brackets. I just have one, which is unusual, which is why it only has the 3 contracts. So when I closed the full trade, which brings me close enough to my daily goal. I'll be happy with this. I do not plan to trade the rest of the day. This is a 5-minute chart, and you can see I took the trade right over here, 9:50, 10 minutes to 10, and it lasted all night into the early trading hours. So that's all, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.